Let's learn together.
Today this video is about how to apply extrude boss or base on your sketch. Let's go. Okay, we choose a top plane. Okay, first I need to sketch a circle. Okay, and then I will mark the dimension of this circle. Okay, and then the dimension of this point to the center of the circle. Okay, we set the dimension is 6, and then click features and then extrude boss and base of the circle. Okay, then also you can start the extrude boss from sketch plane, surface, face plane, rotate and offset. Okay, for the direction there are 6 types of this. Okay, which is blind, up to rotate, up to surface, offset from surface, up to body, and the last one the mid plane. Okay, I will show you later. Okay, first we go to the blind. Also, you can set the depth of this extrude. Okay, by click the arrow. Okay, that has a ruler at there. Also, you can set the depth by write a dimension here. Okay, next you are allowed to draft on or off. Okay, you can see this. Okay, by the way, you also can create a cone. Okay, next we go to the next example. Okay, then click on right plane to sketch. Okay, and we sketch a rectangle on this right plane, and then we set a smart dimension of this rectangle. Okay, and it's done. Okay, and then go to the features and extrude boss and base for the rectangle. As you can see, this is the example of extrude boss and base for rectangle. Okay, for the direction, okay, this is the example of line. Okay, we go to the through all. Okay, you can see this, the extrude of the rectangle through all the cylinder. Okay, next the direction is up to next. Okay, you can see this, the example up to next. Okay, then the direction up to rotate. Okay, you can see this. Okay, for the up to surface, you must click the surface first. Okay, I will click this surface. Okay, this is the example of up to surface. Okay, then offset from the surface. Okay, before that you must set the offset distance. Okay, I will set the offset distance is 0.6. Okay, you can see the offset of these two extrude. Okay, we go to the next distance is up to body, and then select the body. Okay, you can see this is the same with up to surface. Okay, the last is mid plane. Okay, this is an example of mid plane. You can see this. Also, we can set the depth. Okay, for example, I set 6. Okay, that's all for the example. Okay, thank you for watching the video tutorial about how to apply extrude boss and base.